Welcome to the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport in crystal white. This SUV is powered by a 3.6-liter V6, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the XT6, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter, audio, and navigation controls can be found here in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the XT6, starting off with the 21-inch wheels paired up with Continental cross-contact tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, monochromatic Cadillac badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, monochromatic Cadillac badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights. XT6 all-wheel drive monochromatic Cadillac and 400 badging can all be found here on the hatch, and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the XT6, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the center console, we have the third zone of your tri-zone climate control. Below that, 2 USB charging ports, and cup holders can be pulled out in a tray. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.